What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses Pallet Idea Edition. Yes, it's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. here, and as y'all know, I am so excited to be here with you all today for yet another pallet idea video. Now, this pallet idea video is one that will involve me transforming, radically improving, and upgrading the look of the outdoor of my here front door. As you can see, it's pretty simple. It's pretty like, I get it, you have a front door, you have a step and two, and you got a front door, right? So now I'm going to take it up a notch, okay? I'm going to add a pallet garden wall, okay? Pallet garden wall. That's what I'm going to call it. That's what it is. You see it in the thumbnail. You see it. That's what it's going to be. So what I need to do is go ahead and take one of my pallets that you see here, right here, which was actually like scrap for like its wood for other projects. But as y'all know, the saying goes, don't throw away your scrap wood, because you never know when you will use it in your future projects, and here is one of those future projects. So in order to get this project done, I need to go ahead and like cut off. So as you can see, it's 1, 2, 3 sides to it. I need to cut off one side of it, so I just have like two. So I'm gonna just have this side and that side. Okay, so I need to cut everything from here left. Okay, that all has to go. Okay, all has to go. You get it, you got it, and you will see it. So I'll be using my, if not my reciprocal saw, my jigsaw. We'll see which saw is the best saw for the job. But as y'all know, I'm gonna make sure I have my safety goggles on, make sure I have my gloves on, and we're gonna make sure we use all the safety measures that we learned in our previous video of last week. Okay, so without further ado, let me do what I need to do what you need to do, and subscribe. Click that like button, smash that bell notification, and let me know you're having a good day in the comment section below. So let me do what I need to do so that we can see how you can do what you may want to do if this is what you want to do. Yeah. Alright, so I figured out how to secure the bottom down properly after like thinking, and it was all about drilling screws that were long enough that the wood bottom itself could sit on. That's right, 2 screws long enough that the bottom could sit on, and ladies and gentlemen, you have security. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we have our completed project, which it wasn't that hard. I had a aha moment while I was drilling in the screws, trying to figure out what to do, and then the idea came to just, like I said, drill them and then let it sit all on there, good stuff. So that is how you do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this here plant holder that I'm gonna have my fresh herbs and things in, that will also keep and deter mosquitoes away. Put it there, that is his new home. Probably need to paint it because it doesn't look complete the way it is, but when the things grow, when the herbs grow, it will be what it needs to be, and it'll look like the way I want it to look like. So again, we thank you, we love you. Make sure you tune back in tomorrow for that video as we plant those seeds so that can grow and we can have the herbs that we want, and also the mosquito protection for our front door area. And yeah, let me know what you think. If you need any help or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you what you need, okay? Until next time, beautiful people.